Hello and welcome, it's Emilia here. I'm back with a new step-by-step video for creating mixed media violin. I was inspired by the beautiful flowers I made a few days ago. I wanted to combine music with a garden, and this way I came up with an idea of decorating the violin. First step is to glue all parts together. I'm using gel medium as it is very strong adhesive and I can be sure that my project will stay in one piece. I'm removing excess of the product with a small brush. I left the violin to dry for about 2 hours. Next, I painted everything using white acrylic paint. First layer I applied with the brush and then I used a kitchen sponge, dabbing the paint into the project. Sponge gives a very good coverage and I left it to dry again for another 1 to 2 hours. Next, I used light blue acrylic paint. Before adding the paint, I sprayed the project with the water. I want to achieve watercolor effect, but it can be slightly tricky with acrylic paint. You just need to work fast before the paint is dry. I'm applying the paint mostly on the edges, and then I took another darker color and I'm painting all sides of the violin with it. Before the paint is dry, I'm just going to blend and remove the paint using wet wipe. I have a couple of branches created out of air dry clay. I used gorgeous Prima mold for it. I'm going to add a little bit of color to that. Here you can see the selection of embellishments I choose for decorating the violin. I have a lot of items with different texture: cheesecloth, branches, die-cut leaves, air-dry clay leaves. Actually, I have a video tutorial for creating these air-dry clay leaves, showing also how to paint them, so please check on my channel for the video. I'm starting with a branch and some funny strings. I want to add it around the top part of the instrument. Then I'm adhering cheesecloth as a base for the floral composition. I will be playing with the elements for a while. Unfortunately, at some point my camera switched off and I had to use the phone to finish the video. You will see the change of light and color a bit, but I really wanted to show you how I decorated the whole project, so I decided to keep going and recording with the phone. At the end, I'm adding dry roots and artificial branches. Last step will be to use white acrylic paint mixed with water to add splashes. This time I'm not adding any glitter. Thank you so much for watching me today. Let me know what do you think about my video and the violin. I absolutely love it. I think it's my favorite project at the moment. I really enjoyed making that, and I hope you will find the video useful. Maybe you will create something similar. If you use my tutorial, please tag me on social media, Emilia Sieradzan Lady E. Then I be able to see your project, and I'm always super happy to see what you have created watching my video. Thanks again for today. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.